Picture this. Most people wake up to an alarm, rush through traffic, sit in offices they don't love, and work 40, sometimes even 60 hours a week. And yet, there are people, just a tiny fraction, who earn more than 99% of the world, working less than 3 hours a week. Sounds impossible, right? Maybe even like a scam? Well, here's the truth. Point 1, the illusion of hard work. We were taught from childhood that the only path to success is hard work. Study hard, get good grades, find a stable job, and grind it out for 40 years. The problem? Hard work alone doesn't guarantee freedom. In fact, most of the hardest working people in the world, construction workers, farmers, delivery drivers, often earn the least. So clearly, it's not about how hard you work. It's about something else. Point 2, the leverage principle. Here's the secret most people never discover: leverage. Leverage is when you do something once, and it keeps paying you back. Think about it. An author writes a book one time, and gets royalties for years. A creator records a video once, and it earns ad revenue every single day. An investor puts money in the right place, and it grows without extra hours. This is the difference between income that depends on you being there, and income that flows whether you're working or not. Point 3, a human story. Let me tell you about Mark. He worked a normal job, 9 to 5, barely saving anything. Then one year, he built a small online course. It wasn't fancy, it wasn't perfect, but it solved a problem people had. That course started selling on its own. At first, a few dollars a day. Then hundreds. Then thousands. Within a year, Mark was working less than 3 hours a week, just checking emails and improving things here and there, but earning more than he ever did at his full-time job. Now, was it easy? No. Did it take time to set up? Absolutely. But once it was built, the system worked harder than he ever could. Conclusion. So when you hear about the 3-hour workweek, don't think of it as a myth. It's not about being lazy. It's about being smart. Work hard once. Build a system. Create leverage. And then let your work keep working for you. Because in the end, the goal isn't to work more hours. The goal is to own your time.